Dr. and Mrs. Jandaya, a fashion designer and doctor couple with a teenage daughter, dreamt of a summer house getaway in the São Paulo countryside. They envisioned a space that was private, yet perfect for family fun and entertaining guests. Their desire for a house that was both stylish and unpretentious resonated with the architects at Sala 03 Arquitetura. The resulting Jandayas House is a testament to successful collaboration. The architects were given creative freedom by the Jandayas, who possessed exquisite taste. The 3,040 square meter plot became a haven designed for relaxation and connection. Privacy was paramount. The house's contemporary facade was kept low profile, blending seamlessly into the surroundings. Upon entering, visitors were greeted by a light-filled, integrated living and dining room. Carefully chosen furniture and a beautiful winter garden created a warm and inviting atmosphere. Sliding glass doors opened entirely, incorporating a gourmet space with a straw ceiling, perfect for large gatherings. Stepping away from the social areas, a central circulation corridor functioned as a gallery, showcasing the homeowner's unique taste. Rooms branched off from this central hub, creating a playful dance of volumes. Open spaces interspersed with pockets of greenery provided a constant connection with nature. The floor was deliberately elevated, offering not only stunning views but also practical benefits like easy access to infrastructure and improved thermal comfort. Luxury was subtle at Jandayas House. The master's suite boasted a lounge area and a bathroom with a private garden, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. On the opposite side of the house, entertainment options abounded with two comfortable television rooms, a gym, and a sauna overlooking the pool. The pool itself was a masterpiece. Featuring a spa area, a shallow zone, and a lap lane with an infinity edge, it perfectly complemented the breathtaking horizon. The house's overall design embodied a perfect harmony, a combination of metallic structure with warm masonry, a lightweight roof, and concrete slat cladding. The interior echoed this theme, showcasing clean lines and a touch of bohemian flair. The Jandayas actively participated in the selection of furniture and art, incorporating unique pieces found in thrift stores, custom-made creations, and treasures discovered at auctions. The Jandayas House wasn't just a house, it was a curated collection of experiences, a testament to the perfect blend of professional vision and personal style. So there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning Jandayas House. It's a perfect example of how modern architecture can blend seamlessly with nature, creating a private oasis perfect for family and friends. If you're looking for inspiration for your own dream home, be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what aspects of the Jandayas house resonated most with you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible architecture tours.